Look alive! The car show guy. Classic chrome fire in the sky. The car show guy. Hot rods, trucks, and muscle drive. From town to town, what's the next one rolling out? Oh! The car show guy. Ta-da! Let's check it out!
Hey, it's Jim here from the Car Show, guys. I'm downtown Big Rapids tonight. It's back to the Bricks night, and we're excited because this is the first time it's been back in Big Rapids since pre-COVID. So we're expecting over 250 cars down here today. Really excited to have them here, back here in town. We'll be walking around showing you everything. Shout out to my daughter. She runs Image Imprints, so I got some new swag. Got t-shirt, got my hat. So if you need any specialty t-shirts, hats, or any type of thing like that for your car shows, contact me. I'll put you in touch with her. She got great prices. So let's get rolling. Let's see what they got. I forgot to mention that it's raining today, but the guys are still showing up. This is true blue car show heaven down here, because I know we got close to that 200 number already, or we just got started. Probably not going to do a lot of individual cars because there's so many cars to walk around and show you. I'm just going to show you rows and cars coming in. I might pick on a few that really catch my eye, but we're just going to see what happens and play it by ear, so bear with us. Until 8 o'clock tonight.
This ain't got the new big York operation.
Nope. No. Nope, I'm just here videotaping, but you go that way. So if you're not familiar with Back to the Bricks, this is a group of guys. They originate out of the Flint, Michigan area, and they travel around to 4 different stops over the next week. Today they're stopping in Big Rapids, then they go on to Cadillac, then they're going over to Gaylord, and then they're going to Tawas. So what they do here is actually they're giving away this trailer for anybody that participates in Back to the Bricks. They have a little tag here that you come up and you register for the trailer, but then also you get their tags punched. And I'm going to roll around on this car as it's coming in so you can see it. And I think they get something, I'm not sure what it is, when they complete all 4 stops. So they get rewarded for bringing their cars out. Because this isn't a judge show. It's just people showing up, showing off their cars in 4 different towns and making, a lot of people happy with what they're showing there.
Cars all night. Subscribe to the channel, like the video, right? Ring the bell, ring it now for future car show content. The Car Show Guy.
Show guy on the move for the best car fans in the land. Big Rapids was buzzing, chrome shining everywhere. Back to the Bricks was alive, and I was already there. From the first tailpipe growl to the last sunset shine, I caught every hot ride, one frame at a time. Every grin, every rail, every story in the crowd. I was chasing that sparkle, and I was chasing it loud. Back to the Bricks, Big Rapids, let it rip. Back to the Bricks, hearts revving, tires lit. The Car Show Guy right there in the mix, from start to finish. Back to the Bricks. Classic cars and hot rods, muscle cars lined up proud, custom trucks on display, pulling cheers from the crowd. Paint so deep you could drown in it, chrome like a morning flame. Every owner telling tales, and every ride had a name. I shot that whole parade with the lens rolled steady and wide, catching every engine rumble and every wild-eyed glide. From the first tailpipe growl to the last sunset shine, I caught 1,000 voices shout, stealing lacquer gasoline, sunset burning on the glass. If you missed one shining second, I was filming it to last. Back to the bricks, big rapids lit in red. Back to the bricks, hard fluting tires lit. The car show guy right there in the mix, from start to finish. Back to the brick, every engine rumble, every shining classic, every hot rod heartbeat. I caught it. Back to the bricks, big rapids, we still sing. The car show guy was there from the first to the final ring. I rolled in at daybreak with a camera in my hand. The car show guy on the move for the best car.
So this one caught my eye. This is a 53 Buick wagon, and it's got some wood on it. Just enough to make it pop. I got generators running behind me for food wagons, so you're going to hear a little bit of that in the background. But this is a Roadster. It says Roadmaster. Sorry, gotta read the badging. Buick 8 Roadmaster, 1953. And again, I'm not going to be able to show you the inside of the vehicles because it's raining and the windows are all up. But yep, this is a nice one. Absolutely nice. So this is a 66 Ford Galaxy. This is owned by a guy, a friend of ours. He actually built my son's 56 Ford pickup. So he knows what he's doing here. So this is a beautiful car. And again, without the rain, things would have been open. Windows would have been open and hoods would have been open, but he put a coyote under this thing. So that sounded pretty mean coming in. So another nice car here at the show. All right, here's another one of interest. Another 57 Nomad. Gonna walk around this one, show it to you.
Sit right here.
Black with a red top and red trim. Yeah, pretty car, pretty car. And we'll walk right across the street. And we got another one. This is a 4-door, 57. This one's nice too. So you see Chargers at the show, but you don't usually see a 66. This has got a 383 in it, fastback. You know, you see them, but they're rare. They're actually pretty rare to see these at a car show. And this one is extremely nice. Bucket seats, automatic. So if you're a Dodge guy, you're probably drooling right now. Yeah. 55 Pontiac Chieftain. You go back and watch the cars coming in. This was one of them. And this sounded pretty darn mean coming in. I'm sure there's something under the hood that we can't see that would probably make us drool. So, yeah, nice, beautiful car. All right, I'm going to try to talk over this music, but this is a 57 Cadillac Seville. Now, I don't think I've never seen one of these. I'm probably going to get busted by YouTube for having this song, but I'm going to yell. So, it says Eldorado on the back end, Seville on the fender. So, I'm not going to be able to show you too much just because of this song. So, the tag on this says it's a 1930. I know it's not right. That's more like a 50, 78, 8 or 9 wagon here. Yeah. But this is definitely the.
He might have had one and then he decided to go this instead.
That's possible. Yeah.
I still think that's really cool with that suitcase and actually take a picture.
Yeah, it's the day 4 station wagons here. We're just arguing over the year because it says 1934 down here, but it's probably a 58, 59 Chevy wagon. All right, this is a 51 Henry J. You don't usually see these things unless they're all chopped up and got huge motors in them for drag racing. But this one is pretty complete. Nice looking Henry J.
The Car Show Guy, classic cars all night. Subscribe to the channel, like the video.